OPPO Realme 2, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the font dialer and let's open the engineer mode. So you need to use this code *808#, and as you can see, engineer mode just pops up. So here you can use assembly test projects. You can swipe left to see device debugging. Here you can perform, for example, vibration test. You can also swipe left and see the camera tests. Here you can, for example, also use the camera calibration. You can select also media debugging, and here you can use receiver test, FM test, and other stuff. You can also here perform the Wi-Fi test, or you can use the communication debugging section to see, for example, the SIM card information, the SIM card test, and you can also swipe left to see others, such as, for example, the software version. Let's go back, and now it's time to enter the special code for special part of the engineer mode. Let's use *899#, and as you can see, the engineer mode just pops up, but here you've got only access to a few information, for example, product information. You can see IMEI number, also the software version, manual test, automatic test, and other stuff. What's really important, you can access this mode even with your screen lock activated. Let's go back. Now it's time to open the ColorOS version, so we need to use the following code *1234#, and as you can see, ColorOS version just pops up. Now let me check out how to open the warranty card. So let's use *12345#, and the warranty card just pops up in front of you. Alright, let's go next. Now it's time to enter the phone information menu, so let's use *4636##. As you can see, the testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose here phone information, and here you can select and read the IMEI number, signal strength, and other stuff. You can also run a ping test right here. Here you can also tap the user statistics. Here you've got the list of apps of all your devices, and you can see the counter and the usage time. Use the back key again. Now let's open here the Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. You can also tap Wi-Fi config and see configure networks from your device. You may select here as well Wi-Fi status. Alright, let's go back. It's time to open the calendar info, so you need to use this code *225##. As you can see, calendar info just pops up, so here you can read a few information from your calendar. Let's use the back key to quit this menu. Now it's time to open the Google Play service menu, so let's use this code *426##, and the Google Play services just pops up. Alright, that's it. Now let me just open the IMEI mode, so let's use *06#, and IMEI mode just pops up in front of you. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.